Today we are going to solve this equation, which is 9 to the power of x equal to 36. We are going to find the value for x. Solution: 9 to the power of x equal to 36. Take log on both sides. Log 9 to the power of x equal to log 36. We know that power formula, that log m power equal to p log m. X log 9 equal to log 36. Divide log 9 on both sides. X log 9 by log 9 equal to log 36 by log 9. This log 9 and log 9 get cancelled, so x equal to log 36 by log 9. We can write 36 as 9 into 4. So x equal to log 9 into 4 by log 9. You know the formula, that log AB equal to log A plus log B. We are applying this here. X equal to log 9 plus log 4 by log 9. Separating this, x equal to log 9 by log 9 plus log 4 by log 9. This 9 and log 9 and log 9 get cancelled, so we have x equal to 1 plus log 4 by log 9. X equal to 1 plus log 4 by log 9. 4 can be written as 2 square. 9 equal to 3 square. Now x equal to 1 plus log 4 can be written as 2 square by log 9 can be written as 3 square. Now 1 plus 2 log 2 by 2 log 3. We applied power log formula here, so this 2 and 2 cancel. So x equal to 1 plus log 2 by log 3. Log A by log B equal to log A base B. Now x equal to 1 plus log base 3 log 2. This is the x value. 2. Check this x value with the equation 9 to the power of x equal to 36. 9 to the power of x value we are going to write here. 1 plus log 2 base 3 equal to 36. Now we are going to apply the formula, that a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. 9 to the power of 1 into 9 to the power of log 2 base 3 equal to 36. Now this 9 can be written as 9 into 3 square log 2 base 3 equal to 36. Now we are going to apply the power formula. Log m power p equal to p log m. 9 into 3 power log 2 square base 3 equal to 36. A power log b base a equal to b. 9 into 2 power 2 equal to 36. So we have 9 into 4 equal to 36. 36 equal to 36. So LHS equal to RHS. Thus proved and verified that answer of X